Imperial Shandong Braised Shark's Fin, Hong Shao Wayu Chi. A delicious Chinese, Shandong, main course recipe. This recipe serves 4 servings. Preparation takes about 24 hours, including soaking. And cooking takes around 4 hours. Here is what you'll need. 300 grams dried shark's fin, 1 whole old hen, 150 grams Jinhua ham or Smithfield ham, 2 pieces pork trotters, 50 grams ginger, 4 stalks spring onions, 3 liters water, 3 tablespoons Shaoxing rice wine, 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce. Step 1. Begin by soaking the dried shark's fin in cold water for at least 12 hours. Change the water twice during this period to ensure neutrality in flavor. Step 2. Blanch the shark's fin in boiling water with a few slices of ginger and a splash of rice wine for 10 minutes to remove any fishy odor. Drain and rinse in cold water. Step 3. Prepare the superior stock, place the old hen, pork trotters, and Jinhua ham in a large pot of cold water. Bring to a boil, blanch for 5 minutes, then drain and rinse the meats thoroughly. Step 4. In a clean stock pot, combine the blanched meats, 3 liters of water, ginger, and spring onion knots. Bring to a boil, then simmer on low heat for 4 hours until the liquid reduces by half and becomes milky and rich. Step 5. Strain the stock through a fine mesh sieve, discarding the solids. You should have a golden, gelatinous broth. Measure out 600 milliliters for this recipe, the rest can be frozen. Step 6. In a clay pot or heavy-bottomed wok, heat the chicken fat or lard over medium heat. Add the shark's fin and gently toss for 1 minute to coat with fat. Step 7. Pour in the 600 milliliters of superior stock and add the Shaoxing wine, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and rock sugar. Step 8. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Cover and braise on low heat for 30 to 40 minutes, allowing the fin to absorb the essence of the stock. Step 9. While the fin is braising, quickly blanch the silver needle bean sprouts in boiling water for 30 seconds. Drain and place them at the bottom of a deep serving platter. Step 10. Taste the braising liquid. Adjust salt if necessary, though the ham usually provides enough. Add the white pepper. Step 11. Carefully lift the shark's fin out with a slotted spatula and place it atop the bean sprouts. Step 12. Turn the heat up on the remaining sauce. Slowly whisk in the cornstarch slurry until the sauce is thick enough to coat the back of a spoon with a brilliant sheen. Step 13. Pour the thickened sauce over the shark's fin. Garnish with a single sprig of coriander and serve immediately with a small dish of black vinegar on the side. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.